Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna take the Python out for a quick little rip with the speed gears in it. So just a rip up and down the street real quick, just to knock some cobwebs off her. She's got the GPS inside on the body. You see she's catching. Track start. This ain't none of this official. We're just playing around. You know, this street's not even probably good enough to do a speed run on. Got my radio link hooked up to it. I'm probably just gonna bash here in the parking lot actually. This thing barely has any brakes. I haven't driven it since I crashed it. A lot of rocks out here on this street too, guys. It's not really set up for a speed car. And I don't really trust this radio, so well, you can see it get all brake tires free. Hopefully you guys can see this because I know it's overcast right now. The car had up to 98 miles an hour and then I crashed it. I'll try to put the link in the description. My computer's on the fritz, so I've been using my phone to upload everything, and still learning how to do that on the phone. What up? No, it's an old car. Just haven't driven it much.
What is that fucker? 4S or something?
6S?
6S?
I got a speed gear in it. I had it up to 90, 98. No, it's too. This road's too messed up. You can hear it. I'll tell you right now how fast it's going.
60?
Stop, read, 64. Yeah. It'll do 9. I got it up to 98 with this setup. I just don't trust this radio that I'm using for how long it's got to go. Oh! Popping a wheelie halfway through. think she got hot. All right, let's see. I'm pretty sure it's thermaled. It was blinking. It's not blinking no more, but yeah, I don't know why it shut off. It's only 97. It did cool off pretty quick though. Yeah, I don't know why it was blinking when I brought it here, so I think it thermaled out. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I believe that's what happened, guys. It just thermaled out. It got hot. It cooled off pretty quick though. It's cold right now, so once I stopped running, it cooled down. But yeah, there you go, guys. Thing's a blast. I'm gonna put the stock pinion back in it. Stop, breathe. So 66 on that last one. We're popping wheelies, probably doing 40 miles an hour. So just getting on it. This thing's a blast like this. I might stay with this, I don't know. I was gonna take the spur out and put it in the Synchro 4, so, but that's my plan still. So this thing's a blast. I might just put the stock pinion back in it, gear it up. So all right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a great day. Peace out.